Turn on.
Please turn on the light.
Turn off.
Don't forget to turn off the TV.
Run.
He can run very fast.
Walk.
We walk to school every morning.
Jump.
The cat can jump onto the table.
Cook.
She loves to cook Italian food.
Clean.
I need to clean my room.
Cry.
The baby will cry when he is hungry.
Pray.
They pray every evening.
Smile.
Your smile makes me happy.
Pencil.
I write with a pencil.
Vacuum cleaner.
The vacuum cleaner is very noisy.
To cook.
He learns how to cook pasta.
Ice cream scoop.
She used an ice cream scoop to serve dessert.
Fan.
The fan keeps the room cool.
Wash.
Please wash your hands before eating.
Clean up.
We must clean up after the party.
Chandelier.
The chandelier hangs in the dining room.
Office desk.
My laptop is on the office desk.
Tow away.
They will tow away the car if it's parked here.
Clean.
Clean water is important for health.
Fishing.
He enjoys fishing on weekends.
Dance.
They dance together at the party.
Washing machine.
The washing machine is broken.
Dishwasher.
We put the plates in the dishwasher.
Close.
Please close the window.
Cook.
She will cook dinner tonight.
Fish.
I caught a big fish.
Beer.
He drank a cold beer.
Mineral water.
Mineral water is healthier than soda.
Draw.
The child likes to draw pictures.
Drive.
I can drive a car.
Wean.
He ate a wean for lunch.
Juice.
She drinks orange juice every day.
Fix.
I need to fix my bike.
Help.
Can you help me with this bag?
Coffee.
Coffee wakes me up in the morning.
Eat.
We eat breakfast together.
Listen.
Please listen carefully to the teacher.
Charge.
I must charge my phone.
Broken.
My phone is broken.
Be located.
The museum is located in the city center.
TV.
We watch TV every evening.
Remote control.
The remote control is on the sofa.
Stove.
She cooks soup on the stove.
Sleep.
I usually sleep at 10 o'clock.
Fold.
Please fold the clothes neatly.
To read.
I like to read before bed.
Start.
The show will start soon.
Win.
He wants to win the game.
Wake up.
I wake up early every day.
Inspire.
Good teachers inspire their students.
Express.
You should express your feelings.
Recommend.
I recommend this book to you.
Get up.
I get up at 7 o'clock.
Advise.
Doctors advise us to drink water.
Discuss.
Let's discuss the problem together.
Consult.
You should consult a doctor.
Brush.
Don't forget to brush your teeth.
Suggest.
Can you suggest a good movie?
Argue.
They often argue about money.
Meet.
I bought some meat for dinner.
Speaker.
The speaker gave a long lecture.
Sharpener.
I need a sharpener for my pencil.